Xero Payroll is an integrated payroll feature within Xero, an online accounting software that allows businesses to manage employee payments, taxes, and compliance easily. Xero Payroll is designed to help businesses automate and simplify payroll processing, ensuring accuracy, timely payments, and adherence to tax regulations. To begin processing payroll in Xero, the first step is to log into Xero. Navigate to the Xero website and enter your login credentials, which typically consist of your email and password. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, you need to access the Payroll tab located in the main menu, which is essential for managing all aspects of payroll within Xero. After accessing the payroll section, the next step is to configure your payroll settings. This is a crucial stage because it lays the foundation for how payroll will be processed in your organization. Click on Payroll Settings to begin. In this section, you will need to set up pay calendars. These calendars define how often your employees will be paid, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. To create a new pay calendar, simply click on Add Pay Calendar and specify the relevant start and end dates for each pay period. Once your pay calendars are in place, you must establish pay items. Pay items include wages, bonuses, overtime pay, and various deductions such as tax and retirement contributions. To set these up, navigate to the Pay Items section where you can add each item accordingly. For each pay item, ensure you provide specific details, including the calculation method, hourly, salary, etc., any associated accounts for accurate financial reporting. With your payroll settings configured, the next step is to add employees to the system. To do this, navigate to Payroll Employees and click on Add Employee. Here, you will need to input essential employee information, which includes personal information such as the employee's name, address, email, phone number, and date of birth. This information is critical for identification and communication purposes. Following this, you will enter tax information for each employee. This includes entering their tax code, Social Security number SSN or its equivalent, and any other required tax identifiers that may be necessary depending on your location. It is essential to ensure this information is accurate to comply with tax regulations. Next, you need to provide bank details for each employee to facilitate direct deposit. Enter the employee's bank account number and sort code to ensure that payments are processed correctly. After that, input the pay details, which includes the employee's wage or salary rate, pay frequency linked to the pay calendar you created, and any relevant deductions. Additionally, if applicable, set up the leave entitlements for each employee. This allows employees to accrue and take leave according to your company's policies. Once you have filled in all necessary details, click Save to add the employee to your payroll system. Now that your employees are set up, the next step is to create a pay run. Begin this process by going to Pay Employees from the Payroll menu. Here, you will be prompted to select the appropriate pay calendar for the current pay period. Xero will automatically display the employees who are due for payment within that cycle. Click Next to proceed. At this point, Xero will present a list of employees included in the pay run. This is the stage where you will need to review employee pay carefully. For each employee, adjust the hours worked if they are hourly employees. Enter the actual hours worked during the pay period, ensuring you capture both regular hours and any overtime work. For employees who receive salaries, verify that their salary is correctly reflected. In addition to entering hours worked, you can also add additional pay items for each employee. If applicable, include bonuses, commissions, or other additional payments that need to be factored into this pay run. This ensures that all components of compensation are accurately recorded and processed. Furthermore, you must check deductions for each employee to verify that deductions such as taxes, health insurance, and retirement contributions are correctly applied. Adjust these amounts as necessary based on any changes in employee circumstances or payroll laws. After adjusting all relevant figures, the next step is to add leave if any employees have taken leave during this pay period. For each affected employee, click on the Leave section to select the type of leave taken, such as sick leave or annual leave, and make adjustments to their leave balances accordingly. Once you have reviewed and made all necessary adjustments to the pay run, it's time to review the pay run summary. This summary provides an overview of the total amounts being processed. Take a moment to ensure that all figures, including gross pay, deductions, and net pay, are accurate. Double-check for any discrepancies to avoid issues later on. When you are satisfied that everything is correct, the next step is to approve the pay run. Click on the Approve button to finalize the pay run. This action will generate pay slips for each employee included in this cycle, which are essential for informing employees of their earnings and deductions. After approving the pay run, you will be directed to the pay run summary page. At this point, you can access pay slips by navigating to Payroll Pay Runs and selecting the most recent pay run you just processed. On the pay run summary page, click on payslips to view the individual payslips for each employee. You can download each payslip in PDF format or view them directly within Xero for record-keeping purposes. To ensure your employees receive their payslips in a timely manner, you may want to email payslips to them directly. Select the option to email payslips, and you can either send to all employees at once or select specific employees to send their payslips individually. This method enhances communication and ensures that employees have easy access to their compensation details. Once payroll has been processed and payments issued, it is important to reconcile payroll payments to ensure that all transactions match with your bank account records. To do this, navigate to Accounting Bank Accounts. Use the bank reconciliation feature in Xero to match payroll transactions against your bank feed. Confirm that the amounts deposited into employee accounts align with the total payroll processed in Xero. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring compliance with accounting practices. As part of your payroll processing, you will also need to submit payroll tax filings as required by local regulations. Depending on your location, Xero enables you to file payroll taxes directly through the platform. Navigate to Payroll filings, where you can see upcoming and due payroll filings. Follow the prompts to submit necessary filings, such as PAA in the UK or Social Security in the US. It is essential to complete all relevant forms and provide accurate information to avoid penalties or issues with tax authorities. After processing payroll and filing taxes, it is prudent to review payroll reports for insights into your payroll data. Navigate to Payroll Reports, where you can generate various payroll reports to monitor your payroll activities. The Payroll Summary Report offers an overview of total wages, deductions, and net pay for the pay period, which is useful for financial planning. The Employee Earnings Report provides detailed insights into each employee's earnings over a selected period, helping you understand compensation trends. The Leave Balances Report tracks employee leave usage and remaining balances, allowing you to manage leave entitlements effectively. If at any point you discover errors after processing payroll, you have the ability to make adjustments as necessary. To do this, navigate back to Payroll Pay Runs. Select the relevant pay run that needs correction and click on Adjust Pay Run. Follow the prompts to correct any discrepancies, such as overpayments or underpayments, ensuring that your payroll records remain accurate.